Welcome to AINA-News. Today is November 28th, 2025. Let's take a look at the top Afghanistan and international stories.
Ramanullah Lakanwal, accused of shooting two National Guard members, previously worked with the CIA in Afghanistan before relocating to the United States 4 years ago.
For more details and continuing coverage, we now turn to Suleiman.
Mr. Lakanwal served with the CIA-linked Kandahar Strike Force and later helped guard U.S. troops at Kabul airport before being airlifted to the U.S. in 2021 under Operation Allies Welcome. A former commander described the 29-year-old father of five as a GPS specialist and jolly character. He was granted asylum in 2024 and has a pending green card request. Officials say he drove from Washington state to D.C. to carry out a targeted attack on two National Guard members, and his vetting and immigration history are now under review.
I also spoke to Director of the CIA John Ratcliffe last night and Secretary of War Pete Hegseth. There is confirmation now that the subject had a relationship in Afghanistan with partner forces. We are fully investigating that aspect of his background as well, to include any known associates that are either overseas or here in the United States of America. That is what a broad-based international terrorism investigation looks like.
Thank you for trusting AINA News. Have a good night and goodbye.